Welcome back to my YouTube channel. At kung bago ka lang dito, please subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell for more videos. Hindi ko alam kung narinig niyo ako. Medyo malakas din ang electric fan ko. As I promised, ay pupost po ako ng video everyday. And dahil doon, kailangan ko po ng tulong nyo. And please comment below to my comment box or in this video or any other of my videos, and I will gladly appreciate it. And may chance din pong ma-shoutout ko kayo sa mga videos ko. Let's dive into the video. So for today, gagawin natin yung makeup ni Ayu. Ang gagawin natin makeup niya ay ito. This is from her last video, the Blue. Titled Blue. And yes, we're gonna do it. I add a little twist. So, ang magiging challenge ay natapusin ko yung makeup ni Ayu. And depends on how long her video was. And ayun nga, yung challenge na yun ay depende sa gaano katagal yung video niya. Ganun din dapat kabilis na matapos ang makeup ko. So yun guys, once na nag-start na ako maglagay ng primer ay mag-start na rin yung timer natin, which is 3 minutes and 41 seconds from her video. And I'm applying now. So let's start the timer and let's apply. Yeah. Our blender from iMagic. Our concealer. Gonna put the contour now. As you can see. lang 3 minutes. So, let's just continue this. Anyways. And, so, yung kakatapos ko lang mag-contour. Tapos, kasi kanina. Ayan siya pagkamaayos. Pero okay yan. So, ayan. Mag-add pala ako ng onting highlighter. Medyo hindi na siya tagmaan. Mas, no. After na maglalagay tayo ng powder. To lighten the contour. Parang mukha lang siya natural. And of course, after nga, lalagyan naman tayo ng ating eyebrow. Which is, I'm gonna use this eyebrow from Maybelline. And we're just gonna put it there in our eyebrows. So I'm gonna use this pala. So ayan, I think. Fine. I know, guys. As you can say, yeah, we can say, hindi talaga pantay ang outfit ko. May mga lagpas. Is it okay? I think it's a little bit okay. Much better. Yeah. Hindi talaga pantay ang aking sila. Okay na yan. Then, after that, ay maglagay tayo sa ating mata. Which is this one. I'm gonna use the shade from... I'm gonna use this shade. This one. Scarlet. It is a scarlet. Just gonna add it in the lid. So because also if I'm correct, this is the outer V and this is the V cut. Just like that. And we're gonna add this honor. I don't know how to pronounce it. This one, I'm gonna use this shade. Put it in here. Because when you can see it in the picture, may brownish sa part. Yeah, pagka brownish. And of course, we're just gonna blend it. Kasi medyo and we're gonna add again to the other side. And of course, we're just gonna add we're gonna use this brush. And we're gonna use this violet shade. It has a little glitter on it. I'm just gonna put it in here. Here. I don't know if you can see it though. But it's in there. There, now you can see it. It's a little dramatic, as I can say. But no, it's okay. Okay, next. I'm gonna use this brush. It's an eyeliner. eyeliner brush. I'm gonna use the Pearl. Hi, Pearl, my friend. Pearl. Out of the and I'm just gonna use it here to create a shining, shimmering, splendid effect. And much more cuter. Yes, that's it. That's what I'm going. And then we're gonna use this Naked brow pencil. Para dito sa ating mga tawag ito. It's like an outer, no, inner eyelid, but in this area, in this area, or like half. This is the half brown eyeliner, and this is the black. So where's my mirror? Okay, inside. And of course, after that, we're gonna add a mascara. But before that, we're gonna add a little shimmer. The Mars, yes. We're just gonna apply it in here. Let's tuck it a little. Tick. I think that's enough. And yes, next is this. Finally, yes, finally. Finally, we're gonna add this mascara. But before that, we're gonna curl our lashes. Okay, and we're gonna add our mascara. So, yun nga. Next ay yung ating lipstick. I'm gonna use this Avon shade lipstick. Roseberry red. I'm gonna add a little. Just like that. A lip gloss. I'm just gonna add a little. Little lang. 3, 2. I forgot again. So yun guys, I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, of course, and comment below sa mga gusto nyo i-suggest. And thank you for watching this. I hope you like it. I hope nagaya siya. Nagaya ko ba? Hindi ko alam. So, I hope you like this and subscribe to my channel. And share this sa mga K-pop fan dyan. Of course, click that notification bell for more videos. And see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye!